I'm here with Scott Drassinower from Cloud9. Scott, this is a done with you day of donuts. We're here. It's raining now. We're a little bit drizzled, but walk us through how the day was.
It was a good day of getting the rhythm, getting the script, and meeting some interesting people. Maybe not some prospective customers, some maybe prospective customers, but good to chat and see what the office is like for people in the office.
What are you learning about human beings through this process?
People really like donuts.
Okay.
And a lot of people are shocked when people come to say hi at their office and they're nice and they're not doing a hard sell. Some people were just shocked that nobody even comes here at all. So it's nice to see somebody other than the FedEx guy.
He did 7 in total today himself. The 10th one was the best, no surprise. 10th one was the best because we had, after doing first couple ones, I just wanted to let him get it out of his system. Get off your chest, don't overthink it. You're holding the stick too tight. He was improvising too much. That's okay. I mean, it's his 7th out of, he's got to do at least 100 before he really needs to critique himself, honestly. The 10th one, I said, we're going to focus just on the opener. Hey, my name's Scott. I run an IT company. I wanted to come by and introduce myself and bring you some donuts. Just that. The rest of it, improvise. Don't worry about it for this time. Just focus on the opener. His kids play hockey, same thing. We're just gonna do face-offs. This is the end of day 2 of our Done With You Donuts. It is now day 2. We have done in total 19 walk-ins, 18 walk-ins. Yes. Don't worry, we got it counted. It's in the after action report. Reset us back before we went into the first one. Where was your mindset? How were you feeling?
Who knows what's going to happen with this? And a little nervous, a little nerve-wracking, but have a plan. You do it, get used to some of the common reactions, and you start to just get a bit more of a comfort level with it.
Whether they take them or not, it's not about the donuts.
Right.
The function of the donuts is to open the door.
Right.
That's it. After that, the donuts are secondary.
Exactly. But the donuts are a good icebreaker.
We started yesterday, bright and early, 9 a.m. at his office. He already had the donuts. We ventured out. We did 10 yesterday, and we did 8 today. Solid day. Both days were solid. We're going to hop on a plane, fly 6 hours to LAX, drive an hour and a half, 2 hours south to Irvine, and get ready for the Synomi webinar in the morning, which is going to feel like 9 a.m. my time, but 12 noon Eastern. And then we're going to bang out a full day of donuts with Mike Campbell at StrikeWorks. Mikey, we're on the way. Good morning, everyone. Bright and early. We are at the La Quinta Inn in Irvine, California. We are, after that 5-minute drive from StrikeWorks. We'll be at StrikeWorks at like 7:45. Meet with Mike Campbell, take some selfies, give him a big hug, get changed into our StrikeWorks apparel, if none is provided. I have black clothing, which matches their branding. This is a done with you training day for the donuts. So, as you have seen a few times recently, my main objective is to get Mike up to speed in confidence. He has watched the video recordings. He's familiar with the script. We're gonna run the script together a couple times in the car. I'm gonna do the first 2 so he can watch, and then he's gonna do the rest. I'm gonna observe silently. I'm not gonna rescue him. If he fumbles and bumbles, that's part of the learning lessons. That's exactly what we wanna do together, so that by the end of the day, his confidence is at an 8 out of 10 to keep doing it solo. That's the main game plan. All right, everyone, welcome. We are in Orange County, made famous by the OC from 20 years ago. All right, I am here with Mike Campbell. Mike, from StrikeWorks. This has been your first day of donutting. Walk us through it. Where'd you start in the morning? How were you feeling before you got started?
Excited. I was definitely excited, but knew it was going to be a little bit of discomfort, and some learning. Okay. So I got to watch a couple from you. Yeah. That went well, right? You did a great job. So I definitely learned quite a bit, from your example. First one I did, we'll see, was a little rough, but we got somewhere, right? It's okay, we got to get the reps in.
Tell everyone what made it feel rough to you.
Just the fact that it's like, I have to remember all these different things I gotta ask, right? Or I gotta make sure that I'm collecting the right data as I'm doing that in front of somebody for the first time, right? So it didn't go bad, I might say.
Right.
But definitely could have gone better.
We did set a new record. This was the first time. Mike Campbell here has the privilege of being the example, the first time ever out of like 520 some odd that I've done, where we were stone cold rejected. How did that make you feel?
I thought it was hilarious. It didn't bother me at all. In fact, what it actually ended up doing is I was like, okay, that was kind of funny. We can laugh that off, but it actually made my next one much more comfortable.
For the MSPs not in Orange County that are waking up in the morning thinking that they're struggling to get leads, would you recommend this to them?
Yeah, I was already texting my business partner, like, actually, I think we're going to be doing a lot more of this. And he's like, oh, okay, can't wait to debrief. You kind of nailed it. Between things I've done, cold call, email, LinkedIn, maybe you get a response, most often you don't. I'm like, wait, I just walked in and talked to people right now, and I'm already getting access. I would do this far more often.
Heck yeah.
I will be. Not I would. I think I will be.
We've had a fantastic day. I've been in Irvine, California with Mike from StrikeWorks, Mike Campbell from StrikeWorks. He started off the day pretty prepared for the donuts, but you can see as he went through his 8 training donut walk-ins with me, his self-confidence and his cadence and his tonality got far more refined. Killer day for him.